To create a rental request, customers need to log into the system via the client portal. Tenants may optionally complete a renter profile to submit relevant rental information. This data will facilitate the rental approval process. Then select Real Estate, select the Properties screen. Select the property you want to rent. Select the request function that corresponds to the employee you want to rent from. Proceed to enter the required values. Term field is used to input the rental period. The unit of the term will depend on the rental unit of the property. The end date will be automatically calculated based on the rental term. After the rental request is successfully created, it will be displayed on the rental application screen with the status of draft. Select to view the request information. Select the submitted function if you are sure you want to rent. If you want to cancel the request, select the canceled function. The employee whom the customer chooses to rent from will also see the request created by the customer. The employee can select the rental profile function to see the rental information entered by the customer. To create contracts and invoices from customer by request, employees need to change the data status to approved. Select the Convert to Contract function to create a contract for the rental request. Select the Convert to Invoice function to create an invoice for the rental request. If the property is rented by the day, week, month, or year, and the customer rents for a long term, the system will generate multiple invoices for the customer to pay according to each term, rather than requiring a one-time payment for the total amount. Example: if a property is rented for $100 per week and a customer wants to rent for 2 weeks, the system will generate 2 invoices for the customer to pay weekly. The customer will see the contract and invoice that the staff has created. The customer needs to pay the invoice to rent the property. When an invoice is created but not paid, a property will automatically change to pending sale status. If the invoice has been successfully paid, the property will automatically change to rented status. The Tenants screen displays a list of tenants who have requested to rent a house and have been approved. The system will also display invoices that customers have not paid when renting a property on this screen. Employees can also create rental requests for customers. Property name will display the properties available for rent. Requests that have created contracts and related invoices will not be able to be edited, deleted.